Hi guys, here we are back again with this Sharp GF555E Ghetto blaster to show you the problem here. The take-up reel is not spinning, and that's the pinch roller there, that's actually spinning, but the take-up reel is not spinning, so that will result in the tape spilling out. So I'm going to have a look at that. As you can see, the mechanism is turning, but the actual drive wheels for the take-up wheel is not. So I'm going to have to remove the unit and have a look at it. Here you can see me just removing the cassette tapes assembly from the housing. Just speed it up a sec, speed it up a bit, it's a bit of a long process. I'm just removing it here. And if you just have a look in here, I'll just slow it down for you. There's supposed to be a pinch roller inside here for the capstan, and it's completely perished. It just looks like mush. I don't know how that's happened. It's like this on both sides. It's supposed to be a solid rubber, but it's just looks like a blob of grease or tarmac or something like that. So it's completely perished. So I'm gonna have to remove that. Remove the capstan and have a look. Just get these two drive belts and the motors out of the way, lively. And then you can see I need to remove these two drive capstans. So it's got like a retaining washer, which I've removed here, and here you can see me just withdrawing the capstan. There it is there. Let's get that out. And inside here, just give me the clean out. There's bits of what used to be a pinch roller inside, but I managed to fish it out here. It's just a little blob of what used to be a solid piece of rubber. And this is the same on both sides. Also, I noticed when I was testing it that the rewind didn't work on both sides, and I'll show you why. I've actually pulled the cassette mechanism apart further, and you got this brown gear here where the teeth have it's gone brittle and the teeth have just gave way. So this is what happens when you try to press rewind. The gears can't engage because the teeth are broken on it. I'll show you here. Most of the teeth are gone on it. And if I just move across to the other side, you'll see exactly the same thing. The little brown gear here, it's brittle and all the gears have gone on it. Most of the teeth are broken on it. So these are parts I'm going to have to order. This was supposed to be a 3-part video, but it'll probably end up being more as more problems I encounter. So until next time, I'll be replacing the making a pinch roller for the capstan, and resolving the only sound coming out of the right hand side of the unit when it plays, and some other issues. So until then, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.